The Samsung Galaxy A57 is arriving at a moment when it shouldn't, and that timing alone changes how this phone should be viewed. While premium launches are drifting, delayed, or quietly reshuffled, Samsung appears to be moving in the opposite direction, pulling its mid-range lineup forward and raising 100 expectations in the process. Multiple reports point to Samsung accelerating its Galaxy A cycle for early 2026, and the A57 has quickly become the focal point of that strategy. Devices usually don't surface there unless development is far along, which signals this phone is closer to launch than many assume. With rumors also suggesting the Galaxy S26 series may arrive later than planned, Samsung seems intent on keeping attention high by delivering a capable, attention-grabbing mid-range option ahead of schedule. Visually, the Galaxy A57 doesn't try to shock, and that restraint feels deliberate. The familiar Galaxy A identity remains intact with a vertical triple camera layout, clean surfaces, and a balanced design that mixes glass and metal. The build is slim, solid, and premium enough not feel like a compromise. Samsung's inclusion of water and dust resistance reinforces the idea that this phone is meant for long-term use, not short-term excitement. The display continues that controlled approach. A 6.7-inch Super AMOLED panel with full HD plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate delivers exactly what most users want. Smooth scrolling, strong outdoor visibility, and consistent color accuracy. It's not marketed as experimental or cutting edge, but it doesn't fall behind either. Where the Galaxy A57 truly shifts expectations is in performance. The Exynos 1680 chipset, reportedly built on a 4nm processor, is paired with the Xclipse 550 GPU based on AMD's RDNA architecture. With LPDDR5X RAM, UFS 4.0 storage, and configurations reaching up to 12 GB of RAM, the A57 is positioned to stay smooth and capable well beyond its launch window. The phone is expected to ship with Android 16 and One UI 8 out of the box, but the bigger story is the update commitment. Leaks suggest up to 7 major Android updates along with extended security support. That kind of longevity used to be a flagship exclusive promise, and its presence here quietly redefines what long-term value in the mid-range actually looks like. Cameras are more conservative. A 50-megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization, supported by ultra-wide and macro lenses, aims for reliability rather than experimentation. Battery rumors mention a large capacity and faster charging, potentially between 45 watts and 65 watts, but Samsung's focus appears to be endurance rather than headline numbers. Connectivity covers all the modern essentials, including 5G, Wi-Fi 6E, stereo speakers, NFC, Bluetooth, and an in-display fingerprint scanner, even if some legacy features are left behind. Current expectations point to an early 2026 launch, with pricing rumored to sit around the $450 to $500 range. If Samsung holds that line, the Galaxy A57 could land in an uncomfortable position for both budget competitors and expensive flagships.